Normally I don't do video testimonials, but here's the thing. I own a GMC Yukon and I was having problems with my fuel gauge. The gas gauge was showing full all the times. It didn't matter how much gas was in my car, it always showed full, so I never knew how much gas I had, so it was a real problem. I would always end up late for work, or I would get stuck in traffic because I didn't have any gas, and I had to do something about it. And basically what they do is they rebuild speedometer clusters. It cost me $75 to get the full cluster repaired. My friend's a mechanic. He removed the cluster from my vehicle and I sent the cluster, and in 3 days I had it back in my SUV and it's working like new again. For 75 bucks to get this problem solved, I was super happy, and that's why I had to do this video testimonial for them. I'm not stressed out anymore about driving my car and being afraid of getting stranded or running out of gas. I highly recommend these guys, totally professional. Check them out, you won't be sorry.